Sometimes you have a set of data. Um, for example, our tracking system, it has first name, second name, last name, etc. And sometimes you want to put them together so that you can make name labels or something like that without having to type everything out or put it in different table. So to do that, it's just a formula. So if you click equals first, and then I want the first name, and then I want and, so and, then I want to put a space in the middle. Now to do a space, you do a quotation mark or speech mark, space, quotation mark. So that means it's adding in that space. Then and again, and then for example, I want last name. So it's going to give me now the first name and last name together with a space in the middle. There we go. Now I click on this. If I drag from the black X in the corner, drag that all the way down, it's done it all for me. Now be careful when you copy and paste this, because at the minute it's still a formula, it's not actually text. So the easiest way to do that is to copy this, and then in this cell here, go to paste as, and you want paste the values. And now these are just actual bits of text, they're not formulas. So you can see the difference between this one is a formula, this one is just text. So now we can get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. And now we've just got our information with first and last name.